I wanted to do this quick screencast on some of the basic features of Zoom that we may find helpful during our fly fishing meetings or our tying sessions. Now, I'm on a computer with Zoom right now, and the controls are similar on an iPhone or an iPad or an Android phone, but we'll go through the controls on the computer first thing here. If you click or move your mouse, these controls will show across the bottom of the screen, and we have an option to mute our mic. We have an option to start and stop our own video here. And in general, if we're not speaking during a meeting, we'll want to keep our mic muted and our video off in order to conserve bandwidth. Also, the little up arrow beside each one of these allows you to select a microphone and select speakers and test your speaker microphone if you're having trouble with your audio. Likewise, by the video, the little up arrow there lets you choose my camera. My computer has two cameras, so it lets you choose the camera. And I can also choose my video settings here, such as to enable or turn off HD. Now, we generally want to leave HD on, so we'll have good quality video. And then across to the right, we have the meeting. We won't use the invite. We have the meeting participants. If we click on that, we'll see all the participants in the meeting. And we also then have chat. We can turn the chat on, and then with this little drop down here, we can chat individually with a person, or we can chat to everyone. Typically, we have talked about using the chat for questions rather than, say, interrupting a presentation in order to ask a question. We'll just shoot some questions out in the chat there and can answer those. And this is for recording the session. Now at this point, my video is turned off, and if I turn the video on, now right now I have a nice video of Robert Hughes on the San Juan playing a big rainbow, but this, you would normally see the camera here. Now, you notice across the top of the screen, I have three participants. I have my iPhone, I have another computer going, which has this mountain background on it, and then I have the computer I'm on now with Robert's video. The gallery view, which is in the upper right, if I click on that, it lets me see a small cameo of each person's video. Now, I can switch back and forth between which video that I want to see on the screen. For example, if this were a person's video, I can click on these three little dots and click on pin video, and it brings their video up. Now, the only time this won't work is if, as the host, I may be sending my video out to you and you may not be able to change that. But that gallery view, switching back and forth to the speaker view, lets you select videos. Now, in order to end the meeting, if I want to end the meeting, I can click down here in the lower right corner, and your menu will likely say leave meeting as opposed to end meeting. And that's pretty much it. Mute and unmute, start and stop video, use the gallery view to change between participants, and you can also click up here on an individual participant and chat with that person if you want to. And that's about it. I look forward to seeing you all on the Zoom WebExes.